In this video, I'll show you how to automate email notifications in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want emails to be triggered. Click the Automate button at the top of the board and go to the Create tab. Select Create from Scratch. Inside the Automation Builder, create a trigger and an action. In the Trigger drop-down, select an event such as when status changes to something. Then, in the Action drop-down, select Send an email. Choose the status or condition that will trigger the email. For example, when a task changes to working on it. You can customize the subject line and email content. Include useful information such as task name, project details, due dates, or next steps. I will input a sample email here just so you can see how it is done. Review the email carefully to ensure it contains the correct information. Next, select the email recipient field or enter the recipient information depending on your setup. Then click Create Automation. Now, whenever the selected trigger occurs, Monday.com will automatically send the email. This helps reduce manual communication and ensures stakeholders receive timely updates. And that's how to automate email notifications in Monday.com.